In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use microphone on Roblox PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover the requirements that you need to meet to use your microphone on experiences inside of Roblox and how to actually use the microphone once you meet those requirements. So first, for the requirements themselves, all that you have to do is visit the Roblox website, click the settings icon, and then select settings once more from the drop-down menu that appears. Now, under account information, you have to do two things. First, you have to add a phone number. So as you can clearly notice, my account does not have a phone number, which means that I have to click the option to add a phone and verify my phone number here. So, you will be able to include any valid phone number here and get it verified. You will receive an SMS with a verification code that you need to input here. Once this is done and you add a phone number to your account, this is going to be the first requirement done. The next thing that you have to do is verify your age. Keep in mind that depending on when you created your account, this will be done automatically, but most people will have to click this button, so click verify my age and use this QR code. You will have to present a valid document between a driver's license, passport, ID card, or even a residence permit. Keep in mind that you might be able to bypass this, but in most cases, this will need to be done. So use the smartphone to scan this QR code and do this verification step. Next, go over to privacy, and in here you will find the voice chat option that can be enabled after you meet those criteria that I mentioned prior, meaning adding a phone number, and then verifying your age. Just enable voice chat from here, which sadly I won't be able to demonstrate on screen, and once this is done, all that you have to do afterwards is browse through the experiences available. There are plenty of experiences where you will be able to use voice chat, and some of them are dedicated to the feature. So as long as you join them, you will have a microphone icon or speech bubble above your head. If you tap the microphone icon, it is going to be lit up green, meaning that your microphone is now active and you can talk to others nearby who also have the feature enabled. I hope I was able to help you on how to use microphone on Roblox PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.